Community.
Morning.
So I've been up and about already this morning. I've been doing laundry. I've cleaned my bedroom. I've cleaned the bathroom. I cleaned this little hallway. I gotta clean that other little hallway. And I may clean in the living room, and then that's all I'm doing.
Okay.
I might do the kitchen. I'm not sure. It all depends on how much I'm hurting after I do what I need to do. I have to do my sheets and put my bed back together, which that's in the washer right now. So, and then I have to shower with that special stuff.
All right.
So, one thing real quick, everybody. We're doing a little giveaway for a Scentsy room spray and a Scentsy circle. If you can guess the date and time that Skylar is having the baby, but your answers have to go into last night, which is Friday night's game night video that Sarah did. She did 2 of them because there was a technical issue. It has to go in the first one, not take 2, but the first one. So put the date and time you think that Skylar's going to have the baby, and the one closest to that will win a Scentsy room spray and a Scentsy circle. So put your answers there, and you have till Sunday night to get those answers in, Sunday night at midnight, to get your answers in to qualify for a prize. So, anyway, that's all I'm going to be doing today is cleaning, showering, and relaxing. And what are you going to do, babe?
Plumbing.
Plumbing?
Plumbing.
Does that mean you're going to show your butt crack?
I don't think so.
Well, plumbers show their butt cracks, don't they? Don't they?
Only if you really want to see it.
Well, isn't that something that plumbers usually do when they bend over and work? Doesn't their butt cracks usually show?
If you say so.
Anyway. Are you going to film some?
Yes.
Are you doing it as a DIY or?
Yes.
Okay, so it's not going to be on here.
Part of it will be, but not. I won't do it as a whole thing.
All right,
but
well,
just
I'll try and film some of what I do today.
Okay.
I'm going to watch Outlander today.
All right.
I got Sarah on the phone over here, guys. That's why I keep looking at my phone.
Okay.
So, anyway, guys, we'll catch up with you later. Bye.
All right, so this is the line I need to replace. I gotta figure out just how much I need to replace, how much that's cracked, but because it looks like it's pretty high. So, I'll have to see. I patched it last year, and the patches failed, as you can see. I'm going to cut that off and see how bad things are. And I got to pull this baseboard out. Hopefully I can do it without cutting it up. Put it back in without a problem. We'll see. Alright, so there's the crack. You can see where it ends over here. I need to cut right above it because I don't want to have to dig into the wall any further, and luckily I don't see any cracks going any further up. And it's going to be cut just below the pipe here. I got all the right stuff for it. This is my 1.5 inch inlet from their washing machine. So I know what I need to do. I need to get something to stop this leaking right now, because that's just from use from 3rd floor. So I'm thinking of just some duct tape for the day, but I have to go get some, and then I'll come tomorrow and cut it all out.
Hi, everybody.
Hi, baby.
I didn't film anything I did today. I was a bad girl. And if I filmed it, then there was proof. Right now, there's no proof.
She slept all day.
Yep, I did. And little fairies came and did all the housework. Yeah. Now, I cleaned the house except for Kevin's bedroom and his office. I cleaned everything else. I swept the floors except for the kitchen and the living room. I couldn't do it by then. My arm was done. So I had to take a shower. And so I did that, and I've just been relaxing. But I'm in pain. I overdid it. So, no game night tonight. Sorry. But I don't have anything planned for tomorrow, unless I decide to do a little bit of work in Kevin's bedroom. We'll see how my arm is feeling in the morning. But that's about it. For me, what'd you do?
I did some prep work on plumbing for tomorrow.
Yeah, you're gonna be gone again all day tomorrow?
Well, hopefully not all day, but yeah.
Okay. Alright. Well, I did everything I needed to do today. So, unless I feel better, then I will relax all day tomorrow.
Okay.
So, we're gonna go ahead and call it an evening. We hope you enjoyed a little bit of something that you may have seen in our video today.
Well, she's fired now.
What are you doing?
Sleeping is what she's doing. See the camera, right? You see the camera. You see the camera.
Are you ready? We're going to go ahead and call it an evening. We hope you enjoyed it. There you go. And. Really? You don't want to work tonight? Are you tired too? Did you overdo it? Did you clean the house? It wasn't the fairies. It was you? Was it you? Was it you? Yeah. It was you? You did it? Was it you? Hello? Yeah? Really? Well, you did a good job. She doesn't want to work tonight, guys.
Bye.